Today I have come up with 4 books which can force you to come out of your reading slump. So let's not waste the time and let's get started. If you're new here and you enjoy my bookish content, then please do consider and subscribe this channel. First book which I would like to recommend you all is a crime fiction thriller. And अगर ये बुक तुम्हारे रीडिंग स्लम से बाहर नहीं लेके आ सकती तो फिर पता नहीं कौन सी ही बुक होगी वो. And the book is Ender None by Agatha Christie. This book blown my mind at the end and it was so gripping. I was hooked till the end. It was impossible for me to put it down, but I had to, so I completed this book in 2 sittings. So it's a story of 10 people who goes to an island and everyone dies one by one and nobody knows who the killer is. So if you want to enter into crime thrillers and you are not getting any idea from where to start, pick this up. You will not regret for sure. So the second book which I would like to recommend is, there are some days when you feel like doing nothing at all, you feel like hopeless romantic person, then you should pick this book. Days at the Morisaki Bookshop by Satoshi Yagisawa. It's a story of a girl, Momoko. She has been cheated by her boyfriend and ends up living with her uncle in a bookshop. Her uncle is the one person she's meeting after a long time, so she's not having very good relationship with him. But there was a paragraph in this book that made me very emotional. Actually, it was conversation between Moko and her uncle, and actually it was the point after that their relationship was improved a lot and her uncle actually started understanding her. He kind of motivated her like how to live her life. She was not fond of reading books. She actually started liking books and she starts seeing life from a very different perspective. So it's kind of a very pretty good book which you would like to read in just staying in bed, blankets on, having a sip of hot coffee and raining outside and all your mood is set. So if you want to have a chill day and you feel like doing nothing at all, just pick this book and I assure you that you will not regret after reading this book. Okay, so third book which I want to recommend you all is one of my favorite. It's a kind of a historical fiction thriller plus romance, and it's an emotional read, so please read this at your own risk. Okay, the book which I am talking about is The Stationery Shop of Tehran by Marjan Kamali. There is no serious plot in this book, just a simple love story which is torn apart due to political turmoil and some family members. It's a kind of book which you would like to read when you want to have your emotions out, want to cry. So whenever you feel like crying for nothing, just pick this book. So this will give you a reason to cry. The fourth book which I would like to recommend you all is kind of a self-help book but in the format of a story. So it's The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. Actually it's a pretty decent book. If you want to start from self-help book category, you will not actually feel like you are reading a proper self-help book. So if you really want to read a self-help book without realizing that you are reading that one, please pick this up and I'm sure that you will like this. But if you don't like, then please, अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आती बीच में आप बिल्कुल छोड़ सकते हैं. It's up to you. But these were my suggestions for you all that I would like कि आप इनको read करें. And these 4 books are easy to read, beginner friendly, and according to your mood you can pick them up. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, like my recommendations. If you like, then please let me know in the comment section. Do consider subscribing this channel. So till then, enjoy reading and subscribe for more.